We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone screen stuck zoomed in. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as it makes your phone hard to go and use, so I'll guide you through how you can go and zoom it out and stop it from happening again. So first of all, if you want to go and zoom it out, you need to go and use your fingers, and what you need to do is go and double tap it with 3 fingers, like so, and that should go and zoom it out as you can see. If it doesn't, don't worry, I'll guide you through what you can do in a moment. And to go and stop it from happening again, open up your settings. In settings, you just scroll down and find the option for accessibility, and then you can come down to zoom. And you can then go and switch this setting off, and then it won't go and zoom in when you double tap with 3 fingers. If you can't get it to zoom out by double tapping with 3 fingers, try performing a forced restart. Press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Keep it held down. Shortly, your phone screen will go black, and what you can do is go and release. When it starts, it will then go and be zoomed out.